All. Today I show you how to use shaft ID commands and slot ID commands in Pro. First we open a new file in Part Solid module. The both of them are in Advanced command tab. Insert Advanced. We saw that there is a no. We are not seeing this shaft and slot ID commands there. For this we have to activate this. For the current session we go to tool and then options. In option we are converting the showing into the current session and type in option tab allow anatomic features, giving value yes, add changes, apply and close. Now we have once again we are showing in advance. Yes, the shaft ID and slot ID are shown in there, but they are not activated because the slot is actually a metal removing features. For this we have some material already in our working space, and shaft, for the shaft we have an surface from or object where we place the shaft on that object. For this we have to make one simple plate by extruding. I am making this plate is 100 by 100. Giving depth as depends on as per you. Then we are going in advanced. Yes, the shaft and the slot and others ear, neck, lung is also activated. Then we are going to shaft. There is four types of elements. First one is for placement. Our object is linear, so we are placing the shaft on a linear form. So we are done. The new sub window is open. This is actually work as a revolve command. First we have to make a one geometric axis, then I'm creating the cross section of shaft. Now giving the dimension, then okay. Now the requirement for placement. For the placement, first I select the surface by clicking a mouse tab in surface. Then I selecting any of two edges or two plane or axis for dimensioning. So I selected this plane and giving the value 0, enter. Then selecting this plane, giving value 0, enter. It means I want to put my shaft as 0 0 for both the plane. Then we checked in the preview. Yes, the shaft is placed on it. Then okay, the shaft is it, and we can see in the model tree the shaft ID is generated. And now we are going into advanced for slot. In slot there extrude like different type of options: extrude, revolve, sweep, blend. We have cut a slot on this surface, so we are using simple extrude. Then done. It's attributes from one side and both side. I want one side, done. And selecting a reference plane for our working, I select this plane, then okay, then default. Converting this into a wireframe for easy seen, and giving the two different references for my work. Then I select Ting, giving some dimension 5, 10, 2.5, then enter, and this is from this, then okay, then done. I giving the depth up to 20 mm, then okay, check in the preview. Okay, we are actually cut the slot in a wrong circle. So for this we are once again section define section plane and put this on this small circle, then okay, then preview, and we can easily see in that slot is there. Yes, there is a slot. Okay, now we can see that there is one shaft ID and one slot ID. Thank you.